Hello guys, so today we have the new product from Godox. Yes, it's a ring light, Godox LR180. So we will test, we will unbox, and we will check photo and video quality of this light. So without further ado, let's check and open the lights. But before anything else, please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you will be updated whatever video that I will upload. So, and shout out to Mama Cheng Combo. Yan. She's the one who gave this free downloadable green screen subscriber. Yeah. So thank you, Mama Cheng. Okay, so let's start unbox the ring light. So, napaka-typical lang ng box. It's all brown box. Styro, wala po siyang bag. So, ayan. Okay. And, tara! This is the Godox LR180. So, you have a mobile holder here with a cold shoe mount and the mobile holder. Okay, so now we will try to test the light. Hello guys. So if the ring light is more bigger than this one, then it's more better. But again, most of the uh, user of this ring light is beautician, makeup artist. Yes, makeup artist, beautician, or mostly ladies. who use this ring light. So, nakakakinis pala siya ng mukha, di ba? So, yeah, it's nice, guys. Kaya pala mas maraming gumagamit ng most of the ladies or yeah, they love to use a ring light. So, it's more better for skin tone. So, yan guys, this is the quality of the Godox LR 180. So, at least I'll try to zoom out with that. Yeah. So, ayan. Ayan sa magiging ano niya pag naka-zoom out. So, at least you have a good And again guys, so I think that's it for today. So again, Godox LR 180. So, unbox ito. By the way guys, the color of this is only daylight. So you cannot change to tungsten. It's a daylight. But you can adjust the power. So the density. So, again, ayun, lapitan na natin. So, ayun. Shoutout nga pala sa ating team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. So, Nakakano din pala, no? Nakakakinis sa mukha.